Top 5 apps like Vue's advanced component tutorial that actually work today. Most people get this wrong by only learning Vue's basics, but the surprising truth is that advanced components are where real web development skills shine. Today, we'll explore 5 apps that actually help you master Vue's components effectively. First are interactive coding platforms. They let you practice creating dynamic components with props, slots, and custom events, giving hands-on experience in a live environment. Second are project-based learning apps. They guide you through building complex features like reusable modals, dynamic forms, and nested components, helping you apply concepts practically. Third are design integration tools. These allow you to connect Vue's components with design systems, ensuring your interfaces are both functional and visually consistent. Fourth are state management simulators. They teach advanced techniques for managing component state using VueJS or the Composition API, so your apps stay maintainable as they scale. Fifth are collaborative coding platforms. They let you review, share, and improve components with peers, simulating real-world development teamwork. By using these 5 types of apps, you can take your Vue skills to the next level, building maintainable, reusable, and professional-grade components efficiently. Start exploring these apps today, and you'll see that mastering Vue's advanced components isn't about memorizing syntax, it's about structured practice, real projects, and smart coding patterns.